Yes, you can.
Oh, puppy.
We have to sit down though. Say hi.
Puppy.
Say, I don't know what my name is yet.
Oh yeah, what is this? Is it a boy or girl?
It's a boy. Cameron, will you take that pad and my keys? That's his bone.
Oh, puppy.
Oh, puppy. You want to say hi?
Puppy.
Say hi. Yeah. Are you afraid? He's so small, honey. Look, he's so cute, Sophia.
Want to touch him?
Yeah, you
Yes.
can touch him.
He smells you.
You can let him smell you first, like this. Oh, he's licking me. Hold out your hand and let him smell you.
He's got his medicine all over
Your
his
mom,
mouth.
do you want to sit down right here?
Yeah, I think so. Give me your bud.
He's so little.
He's so little.
There we go. Look, there's some little babies just like you.
Oh, look, he won't hurt you.
Oh, he's so cute. He's so soft. We have to think of a name for him.
What's his name?
He's very happy. She's just touching me.
They're noisy.
He has his stress medicine that I can't give him by myself.